Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your hardware and accounts. Plug the Yubikey into the correct port or tap it for NFC. Do this now. Install Yubikey Manager on your computer and the browser extension where you'll use it. Create or confirm a strong account password and set up a recovery email or 2FA backup. This prevents lockout. Once done, open Yubikey Manager and verify the device is detected so you can configure credentials in the next step. Now you configure how the key authenticates. In Yubikey Manager, select the function you need: FIDO2 for passwordless, OTP for one-time codes, or PIV for smart card use. For each online account, go to Security Settings, choose Add Security Key, then insert and touch the Yubikey when prompted. For PIV, create a PIN and upload certificates. Make sure to write down PIN recovery steps. Once everything registers, test login to confirm the key works before removing fallback methods. Finish by securing backups and validating use. Save recovery codes or a secondary Yubikey in a safe location, then test sign-in across your phone and laptop. Make sure you understand when touch confirmation is required and re-enable any disabled auth apps. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, reconnect the key or try a different port, then run Yubikey Manager diagnostics to view firmware and configuration. If the device isn't detected, check OS drivers and restart the machine before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.